Hey guys, welcome to PerkyTomato, and today, as you read it from the title, I'm doing a day in my life vlog, plus my morning and nightly skincare routine. But first, this video shout out goes to Always AG Studios for commenting after the 4th of July, summer really flies, on my last post. Oh yeah, and if you're new here, you don't know about that, but luckily for you, all you have to do is watch through the video. Anyways, hopefully you enjoy this vloggy type of video, and let's go. So every summer morning, my alarm goes off at 6:38 a.m. Weird time, I know, but hey, it's me. But today I actually woke up before my alarm, and here's just me waking up and being my rap self. Oh my gosh, okay. This is my morning voice. So although I'm not proud of this, in summer I like to take my phone and scroll through it for like half an hour, check notifications, but this morning I had no notifications because I mean nothing to nobody. But that's fine. Here's me grabbing my glasses from my cluttered nightstand. Oh, by the way, this is Susan the turtle who accompanies me every single night, and don't you dare say you don't sleep with a stuffy. We all know you do, okay? Okay, so here we are making the bed, and here's Linda, Grogu, Susan, and Amy. Yeah, thank you. Boom. Light. Oh, there's no Cheez-Its. Scooting our mooches into my morning skincare. So firstly, I try to keep my morning skincare really minimal and simple because I want to get into other things, although I do love skincare. And why do I love skincare, you may ask? Well, at first you might think I don't have time for this, I don't have time to wash my face, and honey, yes you do. Just make time for it. Stop scrolling Instagram. Also, you can just start by cleansing and moisturizing your face every night. It doesn't have to be in the morning too. And hun, you will see the difference. You won't want to go back to how you were, like, I swear. And like, I never had the worst skin, but I certainly had pimples on my nose area, I had blackheads, and I had pimples on my chin, and I had a lot more forehead acne where my bangs are, and I had a little bit of hyperpigmentation on my cheeks. But bro, I have never had this clear of skin for a while. Like, it's really fun in my opinion, and it's so cool to see the difference and how much better your skin will be, okay? Like, skincare equals good skin, and just making that little structure in your routine and day is amazing bomb. Okay, sorry, let's carry on. Okay, so I slapped this little headband thing on to get my bangs out of my face, and then what do I use in the morning? So all I use is a washcloth to easily rinse my face off, the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, and I seriously think CeraVe is the most popular, well-working cleanser. Like, although nearly everyone I've seen uses it, uses CeraVe, I honestly think it does an amazing job at getting your skin to its fullest potential, and they have different cleansers for like oily skin, dry skin, combination skin. And then I use the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion for my face. It works on your body and face, and I just love it. It moisturizes really well. And then lastly, this is the most important thing in my morning skincare, which is sunscreen. So I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Sunscreen, and like, sunscreen protects your skin every day. It's very important. Like, you could be doing everything for your skin, but if you're not using sunscreen, it's basically all a waste. Thank you. Okay, so first I wet my washcloth with warm water and squeeze the excess off, and then I wet my face with this to open up my pores. The warm water opens up the pores so you can clean them and you get all the dirt out. And then second, I like to use a quarter amount of my cleanser, and I just rub it on my hands, and then I start gently rubbing it in circles on my face, making sure to get everywhere. And then just wet your washcloth again with some more warm water to wipe the cleanser off, and then I get it wet with cold water to close my pores so I don't get extra dirt in them. And girl, this literally only takes me 3 stinking minutes. Like, this is not time consuming. You have time for it, I promise. So this is an extra step. You do not need to do this. But if I see some eye bags or puffiness, I take some cold spoons that I've had in the fridge overnight, and I just press them on my face, and then I rub in a generous amount of my sunscreen. Lastly, we have to moisturize. We just kind of let the sunscreen sit in. Okay, it's set. Add the moisturizer. And boom, everything is locked in place. And then here's me really feeling myself with my skin. Yes. Oh, I almost forgot. This is my messy closet. Please excuse my bangs, they're still recovering, okay? They're just, don't look at them. Okay, anyway. Oh, I switched clothes. Wow, that was so easy. Psych! I did not like that outfit, so I just put this on. I know you've seen this in me. I know you've seen me in this before. And I also put my hair in a messy bun, but not as messy as my social life. So I did a thing. I did my makeup. Yeah. So, none of my family is up right now, so I'm going to just go work on a video. Yeah. Well, I was going to edit a video, but my computer has to restart. And hello, guys. But yeah, agony, agony. 'Tis time for breakfast. Wee. Okay. I feel like I always eat at the island, so I'm gonna eat at the table this time because just to switch it up. Oh, I need a drink. Wait. So, like, I wish I could say, ooh, breakfast is a perfect time to just relax. And no, not for me, sis. I'm trying to just chuck it all in, stress about school, what I have to do that day, you know? Yes. So, after breakfast, I'm gonna go check out Leia, see what's up with the little rascal. Hi, little rascal. What's poppin'? Oi! Leia! Okay, so you don't get out yet since it's morning, but what is popping? Oh my gosh, hello. Hi, Leia. I'm gonna go rollerblading. Okay, so I really just wanted to edit my video, but the computer is being the biggest turd I've ever met in my life. So I'm going rollerblading at 8 in the morning. I normally go rollerblading at least once in the day. Well, bye. Hopefully I can come back and turn the camera off. Whee! Bye. Okay, can I do this? Can I jump it? Yes! Okay, sorry, that was just really fun. I'm trying to get good quality content for y'all. Okay, let's go. So yeah, I rollerblade at least once a day just for exercise and fun, and why not? Is it just me, or is like the rollerblading sound kind of satisfying, like ASMR? Okay, sorry. Okay, let me just tell you about the dream I had. It was so crazy. So basically, I was like in this music store, and then like this lady took me and my dad to like the back of the store, and they're like, we're gonna sing a song for you guys. And so the lady grabs like this guitar and starts singing this random song. I have no idea. And then my dad starts playing like the banjo out of nowhere, right? And then like then like a bunch of high schoolers come in. It's very weird. Oh, there's someone coming. There's someone. So then a bunch of high schoolers start coming, and like you start singing a song too with like a bunch of banjos and like guitars and like a bunch of instruments, and I'm like, and they'll start singing too, and I feel left out. I should be singing, right? And then it's like turns out to be like Better Off by Ariana Grande, and I start tearing up because then I'm like in the dream, I'm like, oh my gosh, I just love Ariana Grande so much, and I'm like crying because they're all singing Ariana Grande. Anyway, yeah, that was the dream. And everyone's just like, oh my gosh, she's crying. And I was like, I just love Ariana Grande. Okay, I can finally start editing. Oop, okay, don't leave that. Alright, yes, okay, yay. Okay, so I've been editing for quite a while now, and so I'm going to go upstairs and make a pie. It is 12:54. Position vibes. Okay, we're having lunch. It's 1:37. Taco Bell. Whoa, Ice cream.
Let them thaw out a bit.
As I put the apples in the pie, I think about my life. How we're all just an apple slice in a pie, you know? It's really a beautiful picture. All your emotions. Ah! Never need no one else. 'Cause I'll be. So now I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna grab some flowers to put in these little vases I made out of mason jars. Having flashbacks from when I tried to film biking before and it did not work. Die and crash. Okay, whatever. Can I tell you a funny story when I actually fell and crashed with my bike? Actually, I'm not gonna tell you that story. Never mind. Okay, so there are some yellow flowers right here that I see, and there's really pretty purple ones. So I'm gonna pick a few of these. I'm not sure how I'm gonna carry them and bike and film. So I got these bad boys picked, and what I saw while picking these shocked me to the core. What are those? Sunflowers, and I'm going over here. Hopefully I don't get like killed. Okay. So I got a few white ones. I have those really pretty sunflowers, and then the purple and yellow flowers. And I'm gonna go somewhere else. So here are all the flowers I got. They're kind of all squished. Oh my gosh, here are the finished bouquets. Oh my gosh, how you like that? Da 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 da. But like, oh my gosh. Okay. And the pies have been fully cooked. These are really fun to make. I'm a mom. Oh yes. What's up, little rat? Hello, Leia. You want out, honey biscuit? Okay, come out, sweetie pie. Okay, rat. I will grab a bowl. I have some goldfish for her. You want some? You want some? Okay. I'm touching up your food, Nuggie. Ah, stay away. Stay away. Stay away, goose. Okay. There you go. I crushed it up for you. Say thank you. Hello, Leia. Oh yeah, I know. So is Leia. She's probably tired of me showing her to the camera by now. It's 7 o'clock, and that's when I normally start my skincare nightly routine thing. Oh, okay. It's exfoliating night, so I only exfoliate about once to, at most, 2 times a week. By the way, I got this off of Shein, S-H-E-I-N. It is also face mask night, so every 2 to 3 times a week I use a face mask of some sort. I'm using this today. I got this from Dollar Tree, and hopefully it's good, okay? Sometimes I use honey. I know it sounds weird, but honey, I'm telling you, sis, if you have dry skin, put honey on your face after cleansing it. Leave it on for like 10 minutes. Wash it off with a warm washcloth. It does miracles. It's not like that sticky, okay? Like, it's amazing. It's not messy. Anyway. So starting off as I did this morning, I'm just wetting my washcloth, a clean washcloth with warm water, and then I'm going to wet my face with this, and then I add a bit of the CeraVe hydrating cleanser on my face, rub it in slightly, then I take my exfoliating brush and gently and lightly go around my face for about a minute. And then I just gently wipe off my cleanser. Okay, we're trying this. Okay. What? Oh my gosh. Okay. I look like it. Okay. I look scary. So while I look like your next nightmare, I'm gonna go on my phone. Okay. So then I took off the mask and patted the extra serum left on my face. That is what the package said, so that's what I did. What if I used the roller attachment like this? Like the little beads, like, just because it won't hurt, right? Okay, let's do it. Then I just finished with some moisturizer and done. Feeling glowing. We're feeling glowing, girl. We're feeling like that. So it's now 9:14 p.m. and I'm going to bed. I'm tired. I've had a long day. Yes, it's time for bed. So it is actually, let's see. Hello. 9:15 now, but time for bed. I had dinner. I made pesto. Yeah, didn't take that long, but anyway. Good night, world. Alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you caught the hidden message somewhere in the middle of the video, please comment it down below if you would like, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye! Enjoy the video? Watch more here! Subscribe and like the video, and most of all, share this channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.